Like a boss.
Alright, this is Alex from Mindful Attraction. And one of my Patreon supporters, one of my loyal Patreon supporters, asked me, what is one thing that you recommend us women never reveal to a guy? Alright? Look, man, the number one thing, before we say this, okay? Look, it's one thing being honest with people, right? Some things you're not 100% honest about at the end of the day. Some things you just don't tell. You see what I'm saying? It's like kids it's like kids letting it's like when you're a child, you want to believe that your parents are all powerful. You know what I'm saying? You want to maintain that fantasy so that you could depend on your parents, so that you could submit to them, so that you could listen to them, so that you could trust them, right? And the same like with this. You don't want to let people know that you don't want to let the guys you see that you know these kind of strategies, right? Like, you don't want to let people know that you're this smart. You don't want to let people know that you're this aware of the reality of power or and how people become influenced. In fact, you want to act like you're ignorant about it. It's not that I don't want you to act like you're smart. No, I want you to I want you to give off the impression that you're not aware of the reality of human nature. Because when you do that, when a guy believes that you don't know, it's not that a guy thinks you're dumb, but when a guy thinks that you don't know about these power games, he's not going to assume the things you're doing are manipulation. He's not going to assume the things you're doing are to get a reaction out of him. He's going to think that the things you're doing are just natural. You see what I'm saying? Now, if a guy knows, right? If a guy assumes that you're using these tactics, right? If a guy thinks that you're watching my channel and stuff like that, the next thing to do is to always blame it on something else, right? For example, like if a guy knows you watch my channel, right? Then all you gotta do is just show him that you have a busy life. All you gotta do is just show him that you are inconsistent with other people. Let him see it. Let him see it. Oh fuck! I forgot to text my friend. I was so busy with work, baby. I cannot believe I did that shit. You see what I'm saying? But if he doesn't know that you watch my channel, I recommend that you don't let them know you watch my channel. You can follow me on Instagram there, right? Because on Instagram you don't see me talking about dating advice as much. I do that for a reason. I do that because I want people. I talk more about like reality, creativity, and stuff like that, but not much about dating advice. But if you watch my channel here, it's important that the guys you're seeing don't think you see my channel. But if they do know you're seeing my channel, then just always blame it on being busy. Always blame it on school. Always blame it on work. Simple as that. If you're gonna pull away, preemptively pull away. Tell them about how busy your week is gonna be. Tell them about how next month things are gonna rile up. Tell them about how sometimes you tend to be so busy that you forget to text your friends. Like, just talk about it before you do it, so that when you do it, he's gonna say, fuck, it's either she's busy or she's losing interest. You see what I'm saying? But never ever, if a guy, like I said, if a guy knows you watch my channel, make sure that he sees with his own two eyes that you're busy. If he doesn't know you watch my channel, leave it at that. And make him feel like he knows more about human nature. Make him feel like he knows more about human psychology. Even if he know more, make him feel like he knows more. Because what that does is that it lowers his guard and it makes him more susceptible to your influence. Does that make sense? Yeah, that makes sense. All right. So this is how you do it. It's very simple and very straight to the point. Never let a guy know you watch my channel. All right. This is Alex from Mindful Attraction. Recommend me to your friends. Comment. Let me know. Have you guys told your man? Does your man know you watch my channel? And what do you tell him? Right. And how do you hide me? Because I know some of you ladies are ashamed of me. I get it. I get it, but it's the only industry where I get it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't get offended that much. All right, people. This is Alex from Mindful Attraction. Peace out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on Patreon. That's right. When YouTube closes this channel, which it will one day, I can promise you that, we will have all of our content on Patreon. So here is your chance to sign up and to become Patreon members, and you'll get a bunch of benefits. You'll get new videos, Patreon exclusive videos. So this is what we have. We have a few different tiers. We have the freeloaders, no mo. All right. So if you're a freeloader, which is nothing wrong with the freeloaders, we love our freeloaders, but you could just become a $1 donator and not be a freeloader, and get my underlying gratitude, ladies and gentlemen. After that, you can become the purposeful gang. That's right, the purposeful gang. And in that, you get access to all of the videos that we have on a weekly basis. We make live streams, we get questions, and we post them on a weekly basis. And it's for men and women. We have different videos. We have a section for men and a section for women. And then we have the mindful gang, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, the mindful gang. And in that, not only do you get my gratitude, not only do you get the weekly video, but you get the credit that we put on each of one of my videos. You will be named and accredited on each one of my videos if you become a $10 donator. And we have a few of them already. And after that, we have the Like a Boss one. That's right, Like a Boss. And in that, not only do you get my underlying gratitude, access to all the videos, which is like 2 or 3 videos per week. I'll put your name on the credit, and then you get to ask a question, people. That's right, you get to ask a question, and I'll answer it in the form of a video. You see, we all know that my coaching is not as cheap. So in that, you get a chance to speak with me at an affordable price. And not only that, I get to pray for you, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, I'll pray for you. All right. So not only do you get the chance to ask a question, you get a prayer from Daddy. You get a prayer from Delexis, people. And after that, you got the Mindful Master. And in this, not only do you get prayer, not only do you get the videos, not only do you get credits, not only do you get the question, but you get a drawing by your favorite, and that's right, your favorite, right? Your favorite YouTuber, and I'll send it to you straight to your house, ladies and gentlemen. You get a nice little 20-minute drawing straight from me, and I'll send it to your house. Isn't that great? No other YouTubers doing that, to be honest with you, and I'm the only one who's doing that. So if you want to do that, become a member of the Patreon group. As you can see, we just posted it yesterday, and we shall be posting new videos tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope to see you guys inside, and you guys have a good day. Peace out, people.